Today we will see AutoCAD. Now we will start first graphical user interface. Okay, this is what the AutoCAD platform looks like. This is mainly for drafting purpose. Okay, mostly like for building plans, elevation, sections. They prefer to do everything in AutoCAD nowadays. Before they used to draw manually, but nowadays they are using AutoCAD for drafting purpose. Okay, so any engineer should know this AutoCAD, because this not only for civil engineering, this is also for any other engineers, because mechanical engineers can able to draw mechanical drawings, and then electrical engineers can able to draw or draft electrical drawings. So for any engineers this AutoCAD is very important, so they should know this platform, they should know the software, at least the basics they should know. Okay, so we will start with the graphical user interface. So here we have a application menu. Actually, this is like a Civil 3D software. In that, I am using a different workspace. Okay, the AutoCAD also similarly it looks like. Then no, there is no issue. Okay, so here we have a application menu. We have all the things like new. You can able to open a new drawing. We can able to open a existing drawing. We can save or save as. We can export. We can publish. We can print. So all these things we can able to do. Here we also have a drawing utilities. And apart from that, we also have options. In this option, we can able to just make some changes like go to display, and you can able to choose the color schemes, and even you can able to make the crosshair size bigger. Now it is like 5, right? Okay, now if I'm putting a 10, then apply, then we can able to see the crosshair size. Now the crosshair is bigger. The plus color cursor is called crosshair. In AutoCAD, especially we are having this kind of cursor. So if you want to change size of that, then you need to go to option display, and here you need to make the crosshair size. And even if you want to go for another colors, click color and you can able to select the colors from here. Why we have a black background? Because in AutoCAD we will be working for a long time. So if it is like a dark background, then it is good for your eyes. Okay, so considering health purpose, then we are considering a black background. Okay, if you want some other background, you can just go for white color, apply and close. Okay, now we are having white background. Okay, so options, display, and then colors. Here you can able to change the background. Okay, I will take black now, apply and close. Okay, okay, and apart from that, we also have a drafting, and here auto snap settings, and then auto snap marker size, aperture size, everything we can able to change. Okay, here also we have some colors. If you want, you can able to change. Okay, see in 2D model space, 2D auto snap marker, this is in green color, this color green. See here we can able to see this is what it is. So one by one you can able to change any of the colors. So with this option, okay, this is what we have in options. Now we have a quick access toolbar. In this only we have workspace. In this workspace we can able to shift to a new workspace. For example, if you want to go back to Civil 3D, you can click that. If you want to continue with AutoCAD 2D or a drafting purpose, then you can go for drafting and annotation. We have a title bar, we have a info bar. Info bar, we also have a help content, minimize, restore, close options. And we also have a menus, home menu, insert menu, annotate menu, and so on. And we also have a ribbon, home ribbon. In home ribbon, we are having draw tools, modify tools, layer tools, annotation tools. Even sometimes we also have sub tools. So you can just remove it. And if you want, you can able to pin it. When you pin, it will be like steady. It will be, then when you are going now, it won't move. Otherwise, when you are going somewhere, it will move. So you can unpin it if you want like that. Okay. And apart from that, we also have a workspace. The workspace, a black background we have is called workspace. And here we have UCS icon. This UCS icon XY plane. So we have a 2D plane. So we can able to draw in it. Okay. We have a navigation cube and then navigation bar. Okay. Navigation cube we can able to make use if you are dealing with AutoCAD 3D. For AutoCAD 2D, it will be always in a top, okay? And then we also have a command bar. This is what the command bar. And if you don't have command bar, you can put Control 9. Control 9 is the shortcut for command bar. See, now we don't have command bar. Then again, you can go for Control 9, then it will come. Okay, then we also have model and then layouts. Why layouts is important? We can able to have multiple layouts for one apartment project. For example, in apartment, we will be having multiple flats, right? For each flat, we can able to have each layout. But all together, we are going to deal only with the model. So model is something going to have unlimited space. So it is like infinity. It is like our universe. Like how our universe is infinity, like the model space in the AutoCAD also infinity. We can able to draw any kind of big structure, but you must have a good configuration of computer. Only that is important, okay? And here we also have status bar. For example, here OSNAP is switched on, then it is in blue color. If you switch it off, then it will be in a normal gray color. Okay, all these things we will see later. Even ortho mode also important. All this we will discuss later. Now this is what the graphical user interface, okay?